These days, I'm not going ashore at all. This is a real cruise ship crew life on board. Today is 117th day as I've been working at reception on the cruise ship Costa Smeralda. Today we are in Dubai, and this is our third day in Dubai on this cruise. We had a huge embarkation of guests on the first and second days of Dubai, yesterday and the day before yesterday, and today's morning was very quiet. Now we are approaching reception where I work. Next to it there is a waiting area with screens showing the queue numbers. When guests arrive, they take a number at the entrance. There is also a big information screen with important details, like on which deck the exit is located, what time is all on board time today, and information about excursions. It's 7:45 in the morning, so there is no one around. All the guests are still sleeping. Next to reception, we have the duty-free shops, but they are closed now. They will open later once we sail from the port. Reception, however, is open from 7 a.m. until midnight, and during the night, guests can call the reception back office by phone. There is a 24/7 line. Here next to reception, there is also the internet support point, the Costa Club office where guests can register and receive special benefits, and the Sea Dream office, where guests can book their next cruise. If they book it on board, they usually get a special discount. Because it was not busy and there were enough people at reception, I asked if I could quickly go to the laundry to drop off my dirty uniform and pick up a clean one. The laundry is open only in the morning from 8 to 11 a.m. and we can usually go only once every 2 or 3 days. There is a schedule for different departments, so if you miss your day, you might become a bit smelly. Some of my colleagues wash their uniforms themselves, but I prefer not to. Since the service is free for us, why not use it? After that, I went back to work, enjoying the beautiful view of Dubai while walking to the office through the open crew deck. Next to reception, we also have what we call the lazy corner. There are printers there, and sometimes when there are no guests around, we can stay there for a few minutes to chat with colleagues or quickly check our phones. At the front desk, mobile phones are strictly prohibited, so this is one of the few places where we can do that. Later, I went to the upholstery to pick up some luggages. If guests notice that their bags were damaged during embarkation, they can come to reception and fill in a damaged luggage declaration. After that, we send the bags to the upholstery and try to fix them. Once the luggage is repaired, guests can collect it and later send the declaration to their insurance company or to Costa customer service to request compensation. And tonight, there is an acoustic night in the crew bar. And of course, I'm going to attend it. I really love acoustic nights because I love live music, and this one was especially beautiful. During acoustic nights, crew members from different departments can sing or play musical instruments. But this time, most of the performers were professional musicians who normally play for the guests on board. After they finished their work, they came to the crew bar to play just for us, for the crew. The only non-professional musicians this time were the guitar players. One of them was our HR director, and he was actually playing really well. Acoustic nights are usually not as crowded as big crew parties. The atmosphere is calm and relaxed. It's nice to sit with friends, have a drink, enjoy the music, and just talk. It's been already 4 months that I'm working at reception on Costa Smeralda, and now I feel very relaxed because I already learned all the procedures, and after you learn all the millions of things that you need to know about the job, you understand that this job is actually very easy. Today we are the whole day in navigation, and today I went to a free ship tour organized for crew. We visited the captain's bridge and the engine control room. We have a crew resting area at the front of the ship. From there we can see the captain's bridge, the command center of the ship, where the captain and officers control the vessel. Unfortunately, it was not possible to take any videos. It was prohibited to take phones or any electronic devices with us. And before the tour, security checked with metal detector that we don't have anything with us. The tour was very interesting. Officers from the bridge explained us how everything works, and especially it was interesting to see that a tiny stick is used to maneuver the huge ship. Also, engineers in the engine control room told us a lot of interesting things about the ship. For example, it works on both natural gas and fuel, and every day we consume around 250 tons of LNG. Liquefied natural gas. And in the evening they organized a thematic buffet for crew. I came exactly at the opening time, at 10:45 p.m., because I didn't want to eat too late and the place was already very crowded. Also, thematic food nights don't last very long, so if you come late, there might be nothing left. This time it was pizza and burger night in the crew mess. It was really cool because normally there is no fast food for crew. The only way to get it is in the guest areas, and there we have to pay. So it's always nice to have something different for a change. Even though there is usually a big variety of food for crew, after some time you feel like there is nothing to eat. You just want something different. Today we had different types of pizza, burgers, hot dogs, a special tiramisu cake, and some soft drinks and iced tea. The staff had to refill everything all the time because the food was disappearing very fast. I'm not really a fast food fan, but today I really enjoyed the pizza and the hot dog. And by the way, did you notice that most of the crew members are men? After the dinner, I went with my friend to one of my favorite places on the ship, the jazz bar. I like coming here from time to time. It feels nice to be in the guest area. The atmosphere is different. And the nice little bonus in this bar is that when you order a drink here, they bring very tasty peanuts as a compliment. The only problem is that my friend usually finishes work at around 11:30 p.m. or midnight. So when we arrive, the band is often already finishing their set. This time we also came quite late, and soon the bar was already closing. So we could enjoy the live music only for a short time. And the moon today looked really beautiful.